Welcome everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about dRaffle and the wallet cleanup tool that they have on their website. So this video is going to be a spiritual successor to How to Reclaim Your Soul, a PSA for Solana users, where I went and showed you guys how to close open order accounts. And for each open order account you closed, you got like 0.02 Sol back. This video is essentially part 2, where we'll be using dRaffle's wallet cleanup tool to get some Sol back. So what does the wallet cleanup tool do? Well, sending your precious NFT to other people's wallets or listing an NFT on a marketplace are ordinary actions that leave an empty account cluttering your wallet, sometimes forever. So why should you care about this? Although it is generally obscured behind a single fee displayed to you by dApps, there is actually a cost to opening and keeping open each token account, which is right now 0.02 Sol. This sum is paid by you and is locked in the account as long as it exists. Closing the accounts is the only way to get your Sol back. Wallets can get cluttered fast, especially if you regularly buy or sell NFTs, and a tidy wallet can prevent mistakes. And let's just check one last thing. Is it safe? Yes. Only empty accounts can be closed, and dApps handle account creations automatically whenever needed. So this is like just a way to get Sol back. So essentially, I've been forced to hodl 0.124 Sol because I've got 62 empty token accounts. So I've been, playing around on Solana for a while. So it is likely that you don't have this many empty token accounts. It's also likely you have even more empty token accounts. So 0.124 Sol at current market prices is roughly $29. So I'm going to show you guys how to claim that back. So you can go to this tab here and then collect which empty accounts you want to close, and then you can close them individually like so, and I can press approve, and then I should be getting 0.002 Sol back into my wallet. Or you can press this tab down here which says close 27 accounts at once, so this is the max. I'm going to have to do this a couple of times. Press approve. Token accounts closed. Let's do it again. And one final time. So I've just got back 0.124 Sol, about $29. So I can go ahead and do something with that now, which is nice. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.